Hi, I'm Neely Walp. I'm here at Vision Engineering at the Quality booth with Colin Robinson, our Senior Metrology Manager. And for the first time, we have our LVC400 at this show, and Colin's going to tell us a little bit more about it.
Hi, we launched our LVC400 back in May of this year. It is a large, high accuracy granite-based machine, video measuring machine and touch probe. As you can see here, it's measuring, we've got it measuring remote control cases at the moment at the show in the fixture. It is ideal for measuring large plastic parts, large metal parts such as stampings and that, as well as other larger components. The measuring range of the machine is 400 millimeters by 300 millimeters, or 12 inches by 16 inches. So come and see us.